Welcome to this step-by-step tutorial on sewing a cozy knit shirt. Perfect for a relaxing night in. Let's get started. Before beginning, gather the supplies. A pattern, fabric, interfacing, buttons, and matching thread. Once everything's ready, let's jump into the first step. Cut the fabric following the pattern. Clip the fabric as indicated. Trace all markings based on the pattern. Repeat the same steps for the interfacing. Press to fuse the interfacing in place. Fold the top of the pocket downward. Sew the pocket seam with a straight stitch. Press the pocket. Fold the pocket seam according to the pattern and press again. Top stitch the pocket onto the shirt. Stitch a triangle at the top corners of the pocket for reinforcement. Trim the edge. Serge the pieces together to join the facing. Fold the shoulder seam downward, then press. Roll the back piece of the shirt. Open the back facing. Roll the left front shirt piece. Align the shoulder seams. Repeat with the right front shirt. Fold the back facing up and align the shoulder seams. Pin in place. Serge the shoulder seams to join. Turn the shirt inside out. Press the shirt. Top stitch along the shoulder seam. Sew the label in place with a straight stitch. Pin the facing in position. Attach it with a straight stitch. Repeat on the opposite side. Serge the edges of the facing. Use a straight stitch to join the collar pieces. Trim the corners. Turn the corners right side out. Press the collar. Pin the collar onto the shirt. Attach it with a straight stitch. Repeat at the center of the collar. Tuck the collar into the front facing. Pin in place. Edge a stitch. Fold the front facing inward and top stitch. Pin the collar in place. Straight stitch to join the front facing to the collar. Clip the curves. Trim the corners. Turn the corners right side out. Align the other edge of the collar. Pin in place. Straight stitch to secure the front facing to the collar. Clip the curves. Trim the corner. Turn the corner right side out. Align the collar seam and pin in place. Straight stitch the collar seam. Clip the curves. Turn the seam inward, then pin in place. Repeat the same steps for the remaining corners. Top stitch the collar seam. Top stitch the front facing to the shirt. Press the shirt. Fold the sleeve inward and sew with a straight stitch. Press the sleeves. Serge to attach the sleeve. Repeat on the other sleeve. Press the sleeves. Serge the sides to join. Press the shirt. Fold the hem and sew with a straight stitch. Repeat on the opposite side. Turn corner inside out. Roll the edge and top stitch. Press the shirt. Sew a short stitch along the sleeve hem. Mark the buttonhole placements. Adjust the stitch width. Sew the buttonholes. Mark where the buttons will go. Hand stitch the buttons onto the shirt. Repeat for the remaining buttons. Press the shirt. And that's it! Your cozy knit shirt is ready to wear. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more sewing projects. See you in the next video!